All eyes are on the job market, and we saw a bit of a recovery today ahead of tomorrow's December jobs report. The Dow up mildly, about 100 points or so, 1/3%. The Nasdaq hovering mostly in negative territory, but very close to the flat line, and S&P right around the flat line for a good portion of the day today. But early this morning, there was a bevy of eco data to digest ahead of those numbers that we're going to get tomorrow. S&P Global Services Sector PMI slightly higher than expected, signaling a slight growth in services economy. Weekly jobless claims, they were down 18,000 from last week to 202,000. And the ADP payroll report still showing a strong labor market. Companies added 164,000 for the month in December, much higher than expected. Again, all of this is ahead of tomorrow's December non-farm payroll release, which is expected to show a gain of about 170,000. ES options, well, today, very heavy activity in today's expiring 47.50 down to 47.25 puts and 47.50 up to 47.75 calls. Also, tomorrow expiring 4,800 calls, over 15,000 of those have traded. At the money, ES implied vol sitting at about 12%. That's about the highest it's been in quite a while, and that's steady out to next week. Bitcoin and CME news. Well, we've seen huge volatility in Bitcoin over the last few sessions. Dropped as much as 7% yesterday from the yearly high, which was near 46,000. Recovered back today to near 45,000. And news from the CME reached a record average daily volume of almost 24.5 million contracts during 2023, 5% increase over 2022. Quarter four, 17% increase, and December itself had a 20% increase. Record annual equity index option average daily volume of over 1.4 million, and in the fourth quarter, that was 1.7 million contracts.